This thing is a purpose for the actuator. This is making that noise. I changed the one on this side back here about 2 years ago. So now I got to change this one. When I changed this one on this side, first I had the mechanic do it. Charged me $100. And I bought an aftermarket part, which is this one, and I paid $40 for this. 7 months later, it started up again. So I bought the original part from the dealer and paid $68. So now, since this one is acted up, I'm gonna replace this one. And this is the part, actuator. And so what same one that fits on this, fits on this. And then it's, I believe it's 2 more on the driver's side, but those are good. So I just got to change this. Now I'm gonna take the door of this glove compartment off. See, one part. There's 2 of them. So that's one. Let me put that over there so I don't lose it. The second one. Now the door should come off easy. Now let me turn this AC on. In fact, let me just turn the car all together. So now this is what taking out. See it better here. This is what I'm taking out. And you see, this was the other one on that end, right there. This, what I did. All right, so now get the bottom one first. Okay, almost out. See, 1 screw. Let me put it in a safe place. So now it's the top screw. Okay, now that should be coming out. Okay, got the screw. See? Probably can't see. Got the screw. Okay, then I just pull it out. Simple. It comes right out. See? Okay. Little flathead. Old rusty flathead. Then just pull it out, gentle. Just the old one. Now open up the new one. Okay. You know what? Let me see something. I want to see if it's the same numbers. Yep. Same exact numbers. See, same exact numbers. And it's the new one. So now it's about just putting it back in. So now first thing I'm gonna do is reconnect this. Okay. Then you see how this is? I got a line that with that. They got a line of actuator with the motor part line. The screws back in right here a little bit. I ain't do it all the way. It's very simple. Put this back in. See these three pieces. Pull out. And it makes it simpler to when you put it in. You put that in like this. You got that part sticking out. You just hit it in. You don't gotta go to the mechanic for this type of stuff. This is simple stuff. Learn how to fix your own car. And then you'll learn how to save money. Okay. Top part. Okay. Now that little piece goes. But that piece is easy to get. It's that little. And this is my little extension. It's real good. See, different directions. I like this ratchet because, wait, let's see if you can. See, you can bend it. You know, you can set it however you want it. So, this is one of my favorite ratchets. So now I just gotta put glove compartment down. Trying to so I can see. Just cut it on to make sure there's no noise. Put it on each different dab. And this is how you pretty much calibrate it. 2012 Impala. If you know anybody that has a 2012 Impala, they're gonna go through this. Alright, so now it's recalibrated, everything's good. I can just turn it. Okay. Whoever got a 2012 Impala will go through this. Send them this video. So now I'm gonna put these doors on. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line it. We just get this. Now it's these screws. So line it up, then push it in. That's it. Line it up, push it in. Okay, now I got to line it up. If you can see, if not, you have the idea. Now, I'm going to show you something else. You see this? See, I put tape here. Somebody hit my mirror, whole mirror. See? This fell out, cracked. Scratched up here. That's gonna be my next video. Thank you for watching. If you have anybody that has a Impala 2012 or 2006 to 2013, send them this video. If you like the video, subscribe, share, thumbs up. Thank you. God bless.